Hello and welcome to the channel. Please remember to like and subscribe. And today we're going to get started doing a pretty routine maintenance thing, changing the battery in your Harley Davidson key fob. So this is a very easy process to do. I'm going to only use two tools and I'm going to use them both. So this way you get to see that you could open this thing up and access it with pretty much anything. Here's your key fob. Pretty standard key fob. Very slight differences between years of key fobs. But generally, from my research, I found that they're pretty close to the same, and they pretty much should use all 2032 size batteries. So we're going to use a screwdriver and a coin to open it in case you don't have a screwdriver handy. Say you're stuck at the parking lot of Walmart and you need to switch out your battery in your key fob. It's going to be pretty easy to do. So first, we're going to pop it open with a screwdriver for preventative maintenance there. Open it up. There's the battery inside. We're going to close this back up. It just snaps right back together. And now we're going to use a coin. I'm going to slide in there, twist it, pop it open. And it's just that simple. So you should be able to access the inside panel where your battery is. Sometimes it'll pop right out with your finger. Won't. So we're going to, there you go. Comes right out. And also it'll pop right out with the screwdriver. Just a simple little edge of the screwdriver pops it right out. And you want to make sure you put the battery back in where the plus side is facing down or positive. And it is a 2032 we're going to use. And it's going to be pretty easy just to replace the battery inside here. We're going to peel it off. Kind of get the battery out. Oh, child safety. So we'll pull this off. Take the battery out, and then we'll put that back up there. Remember, the positive side goes down. And just put it right back on top. Snap it closed. And now your key fob has a brand new battery in it. Make sure you check this every season so you don't want to be left stranded with your key fob dead on the side of the road or in a parking lot. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you out on the road.